regarding the usage of much, many, fewer and less in sentences. Much and many are used to form questions and statements relating to quantities and amounts of something in discussion. We use many, much, less and fewer in questions and positive and negative statements. Now the question is how to use them with nouns. It depends whether the noun in question is countable or uncountable. We use many and fewer with countable nouns, and we use much and less with uncountable nouns. So let's consider an example. Students do not put much time worrying about exams, as they spend many hours worrying about other things in their lives. Here the noun time is uncountable, as we cannot experience it physically. However, number of hours are always countable. Let's consider another example to further add clarity to this concept. I do not have much experience. How many pounds can you offer me for this job? Here the noun experience is uncountable, so we have used much with this noun. However, we can count pounds, so we have placed many with the noun pounds. So now let's solve a quiz to further clarify this concept. I am throwing a sentence now and you have to apply these rules to fill in the blanks given below. We do not have rooms in the hotel, so we cannot offer space for the guests. Take a few seconds to think about it. Okay, let's solve the example now. We do not have many rooms in the hotel because rooms are always countable. So we cannot offer much space for the guests. Much space because space is always uncountable and rooms are always countable. So these are the rules to remember to use much, many, fewer and less to make sentences. Keep watching and must share your thoughts about this lecture. Thank you so much.